Okay, and how we replace this Lexus cars, credit cards, smart keys. This is like smart key that we can use that in same way like in this normal key. How we can replace this battery? This is really interesting. We have to press when we rotate that area in this up area. When we press that up in this way, there is a small battery, and I can take that away, and we can see also this type in here. And let's go to look closer that type. Okay, and we really need to get battery. What type is this CR2412? This is important in here. This type. CR2412. And use high quality batteries like Panasonic, because if we use poor quality batteries, there is leak possibility, and then this our credit card, this device, it can go bad because this area. And then when we install this battery pack, and really in Lexus and Toyota dealership centers, they replace also this battery. And this battery is important because if we don't have this battery, then this our smart key, it don't work and it don't start our car. And this is the issue, because this battery makes this wireless this radius that we can start this our Lexus car's engine. And also remember, this key, it has been programmed to our car's computer, like in this key and that key. Normally in Lexus cars we have 4 key positions in our car's this key computer, and this means that 1, 2, 3 and 4th is the service key. And remember, all of these keys are unique. There is unique position in computer program. Okay, and this Lexus and Toyota service centers, they can program this our key. And now I installed how this goes back in here, and this battery really goes really easily. It goes very nicely that I only slide that in here. And remember to install that in same way what you had. And then we install this locking key. And now this key is ready, and this is really unique, excellent innovation.